Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? This is very important and very urgent update for all Vechain holder, my friend, because Vechain price is totally increasing the very huge pump, my friend, and definitely I will tell you, my friend, to after the mid of month this is possible, my friends, to Vechain price will increasing. So therefore my prediction is going to be right now. If you check out my previous videos, so definitely I will tell you, my friends, to after the mid of this month this is possible to the price will increasing now. So tomorrow, my friends, welcome, the price will more and more pumps up, and must watch, my friends, my latest updates videos. So just in only, my friend, I will notify you to what we will need to do and what happening in upcoming time and what is the latest update. So kindly for this you just only subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. All right, so this time, my friend, as you can see here, plus 6.47% the price is increased, 0.117879 USD dollar. This is the highest price, and this time you can see here the current price is also same now. So that's mean to today they will make a record, my friend. So holder, this is clear, my friends, so the price is increasing, and definitely when a coin, my friends, price is starting increasing, so that's clear, my friends, so they are completely in the profit, and Vechain is go in the moon, and Vechain will make you millionaire now, and I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, today now. Today, listen, understand, please holder, try to understand and absolutely get a very huge profit now, my friend. My friend, if you just only wait for the end of this month, so I just note, my friend, this and this time in the crypto market to at the end of some month, my friend, especially last 10 days of month, every coin will take a very huge jumps now. So therefore I also note this, my friends, to holder are starting investing more and more. So there's the main reason is also that, my friends, with the price is increasing now. So if you want to get a very good profit now do this. I am 100% sure they will make a millionaire now. So thanks for watching my Vechain holder. Please like video and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.